An amazing find. What a car. Direct in from the last owner, this beautiful and very rare colour. Skoda Kodiaq. It's a 2-litre TDI SEL Executive, finished in this special factory order colour of royal green metallic with full beige leather upholstery. Just look at this beautiful combination. I absolutely love the combination of this. Look at that. It is just gorgeous. More of that in a few minutes. Registered 22nd of December 2023. The car has just done 303 miles. One private owner from new. Just change of circumstances, that's why it's available, and I'm so delighted to get my hands onto it. These are incredible cars. 7 seats. Many features which are all standard, but this also comes with a few options including lane assist. Absolutely stunning car. The royal green metallic was just over £1,000 extra, so this makes it a very unique colour. I've not seen many on the road, if any, in this colour or being advertised. Of course, automatic tailgate. Again, just a glimpse of how nice the interior is, the combination. Huge space, and of course, as I mentioned, you've got the 7 seats. They drop down, give you a massive boot space, luggage space. This also comes with the temporary spare wheel. All the toolkit there. Just look at that colour when the sunshine just catches it, just glistening away. As I mentioned, 303 miles, so it is like brand new. There is not a mark anywhere on the vehicle whatsoever, but again, we'll just do the videos just to prove to you, nothing to hide, whatever the age or the mileage of the vehicle. It's got the two-tone diamond cut alloy wheels. Front and rear parking sensors, LED matrix lights. This is the 2-litre diesel with the DSG automatic gearbox, 150 brake horsepower. So very lively, very smooth. Nice attention to detail there. It really is beautiful combination with that. Massive leg space there. It's even got the rubber mats over the carpet mats to protect it. So plenty of leg room in there. They really are like a limousine in the back actually. And of course, if you do need additional 7 seats, or simply fold those out of the way to give you massive boot space, centre armrest, cup holders, and of course it smells like new, so there's non-smoker's car, no nasty smells inside the vehicle. It literally is the smell of a brand new vehicle. Electric driver's seat, memory seats, various functions. Leather multifunction steering wheel. Again, the nice bit of attention on the dashboard there, that goes all the way across. And there we have it, 303 miles. Of course, still under full manufacturer's warranty. Of course, great sound system. the full menu, all touchscreen, easy to control. Nice, easy, just scroll through various controls, climate control individually. Just so easy really. Bluetooth phone connection, DAB radio, of course navigation, got voice activation,
navigation. Point of interest. Petrol station.
of course just makes it nice and easy to search either directions or the phone menu or whatever you want to do, just speak into it
Number 1.
and it finds whatever you need it to.
Cancel.
And of course you've got the reverse camera, and you've also got various drive modes to get the car just absolutely perfect how you want it. You can also control the climate control through those buttons on there. Of course you've got heated seats as well. DSG gearbox, and of course you can drive it like a manual if you so wished. The drive modes button on there, additional storage, centre armrest, again various controls with the voice activation on there, all very clear, easy to use. Cruise control, speed limiter, onboard computer. As I mentioned, this has got lane assist as well. You can change the layout of the dashboard. Folly mirrors. Of course got keyless start, paddle shift gear change. What an incredible car. So there we have it, our absolutely stunning Skoda Kodiaq SEL Executive, and this very rare royal green metallic with just 300 miles. We welcome part exchange. Great finance available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your HP or PCP deals, small deposit, low monthly payments. A very flexible calculator. Apply direct off our website to make it quick and easy. Click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. If you fancy it 2 o'clock in the morning, you don't want to miss it. Simply reserve and come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery to your doorstep. Ask us for full and further details of how that all works. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. we make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Established since 1997. Read about our raving fans reviews. I understand why customers come back to us time and time again. Just like the couple I bought this from, who I've known since 1989, the first deal we did. Our phone number again is 01782 822 700. Please do not hesitate to give us a call. Here to help. Thanks for watching. See you soon.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.